Ever go to switch the light on upstairs and nothing happens? But then it does work, depending on what the downstairs switch is doing. Yeah, that's not right. Chances are your two-way and intermediate setup's been wired wrong. And trust me, you're not the only one dealing with this. Let's take a closer look at what's really going on behind those switches.
Okay, so we've got some two-way light switches which are playing up. So what happens here, if I demonstrate, this light turns off the light on and off here. And this intermediate switches it off as well.